Every old tool has a story, a history etched in rust and wear. Today, we're uncovering one such tale. This isn't just a shovel, it's a relic, a testament to countless hours of hard work and neglect. Its once proud blade is now obscured by layers of time, its handle rough and faded. But not for long. Our journey begins with the blade. First, we tackle the heavy rust, preparing for a dramatic transformation. Watch as the wire brush makes its initial contact, aggressively stripping away years of accumulated grime and corrosion. The air fills with the scent of metal and the sound of friction. This is where the true grit of restoration begins. Layer by layer, the old surface gives way, revealing glimpses of the steel beneath. It's a satisfying process. The goal is not just to clean, but to revive, to bring back the inherent strength and beauty of the metal. Next, we move to a finer grit, smoothing out the imperfections and preparing for the ultimate shine. Each pass refines the surface, slowly erasing the scars of time. The blade starts to gleam. The transformation is incredible, from a dull, rusty relic to a surface that hints at its former glory. Finally, the polishing stage. This is where the magic happens, bringing out the mirror-like finish. With careful strokes, the blade begins to reflect its surroundings, a testament to patience and precision. Behold the industrial chic aesthetic emerging. A blade reborn, ready for its next chapter. Now, our attention turns to the handle. The ash wood, though worn, holds immense potential. Sanding is key to unlocking its natural beauty. We start with a coarser grit to remove the old finish. Each stroke reveals more of the wood's character, smoothing away imperfections and preparing for refinement. Progressing to finer grits, we achieve a silky smooth surface, perfect for the next step. Now for the nourishment. Boiled linseed oil will bring out the wood's true depth and color. Applied with care, the oil penetrates the wood, enhancing its natural tones and protecting it for years to come. Watch as the grain becomes richer, the wood beginning to glow with a deep, lustrous finish. It's truly captivating. The transformation is complete. From a forgotten tool to a masterpiece of restoration, every detail, from the renewed texture to the brilliant shine, speaks of dedication and craftsmanship. This isn't just a tool, it's a piece of art, embodying the industrial chic aesthetic. It's ready for new adventures, a testament to the power of restoration and the beauty of skilled hands. Thank you for joining us on this satisfying journey. Until next time, keep creating and restoring.